Goodness is the only investment that never fails. This world is but a canvas to our imagination. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. If one advances confidently in the direction of his dreams and endeavors to live the life which he has imagined, he will meet with success unexpected in common hours. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. Our truest life is when we are in dreams awake. It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see. If you have built castles in the air, your work need not be lost. That is where they should be. Now put the foundations under them. The only way to tell the truth is to speak with kindness. Only the words of a loving man can be heard. I know of no more encouraging fact than the unquestionable ability of man to elevate his life by conscious endeavor. What lies behind us and what lies ahead of us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Rather than love, than money, than fame, give me truth. Not until we are lost do we begin to understand ourselves. I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately, to front only the essential facts of life, and see if I could not learn what it had to teach, and not, when I came to die, discover that I had not lived. If a man does not keep pace with his companions, perhaps it is because he hears a different drummer. Let him step to the music which he hears, however measured or far away. Nothing makes the earth seem so spacious as to have friends at a distance. They make the latitudes and longitudes. Be not simply good, be good for something. You must live in the present, launch yourself on every wave, find your eternity in each moment. Live your life, do your work, then take your hat. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.